Welcome back to What We're Bodging. So if you haven't seen these series of videos before, this is March's recap. It's basically just all the bits and pieces I've been getting up to that haven't quite made it into a full video. So this month has been a fair bit of messing about with the BT-01 chassis and the 2.8 Supra body. So first of all, it came with front light buckets, but no rears. So I've designed, printed these, even added some LEDs. And that's how they'll fit. A bit more tweaking, but they're nearly there. We've also done the video on changing the setup, so it's now the front motor rear wheel drive, and also I've now got the intercooler kits ready to go for the BT-01. Mounting on the bumper just like the TT-01, TT-02 kits. Now some of you also commented on the videos of how I put the plastic bushes in and how I didn't grease anything, and that's because I was waiting for bearings to turn up. So now we've got those, it will be stripped down, greased up and bearings fitted. I've also been playing about making some drag wheels. So these are actually F104 rear tyres. And I think they give it just the right side wall to wheel ratio. This month I'm planning to get the Supra body finished. So I've chose a colour and a style for it. And that's pretty much it for this month. So a few bits of messing about, making wheels. I've also got a video coming up showing you how I designed some of these wheels, including the Team Dynamics Pro Race 1.2s. There's a short of that already up if you fancy taking a look. But that pretty much covers March. Got plenty of bits planned for April. So I better get on with them. Catch you in the next one.